All right, here we are in the Vidently desktop software, available for both PC and Mac. The first thing you'll notice is how easy and laid out Vidently is. Okay, let's start with the first of two mini demos. All right, so in this mini demo, we'll create a full motion video. We'll start by adding a scene template. Then we will use the bottom slider to move to a part we want to customize. Here you will notice 3 text placeholders. Let's edit each by clicking on the text hotspot and entering a new text. Here, here, and here. Good. Now let's click on the video hotspot and add a video, like this. Cool. Now let's add a second scene template. Click on the newly added scene, then move to the part we want to customize. Add a background image. Add a video. Then reposition the video. Looks good. Okay, let's add a nice transition between the current 2 scenes. Then add a third scene template, like that. Now click on the new scene, drag the slider bar again to where we want to edit, then add a video right here. And final step, add a transition between the second and third scene. Good. And now that we're done, let's take a look at what we've just created. Wow, it came out perfect. This demo shows you how easy it is to make powerful, mind-blowing full-motion videos with Vidently. Okay, let's jump into the second mini demo.